Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2011 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lamps, drive-by-wire throttle, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, brake assist, security system, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, PPO, cruise control, emergency trunk release. Your new ride is just a phone call away.